5 AI skills you must learn for 2026, future-proof your career. By 2026, it won't be your degree that decides your success, it will be your AI skills. Artificial intelligence is not taking jobs. People who don't know how to use AI are being replaced. In this video, I'll share 5 essential AI skills that students, professionals, and creators must learn to stay relevant in 2026 and beyond. Brain Skill 1. Prompt Engineering. AI is only as smart as the instructions you give it. Prompt engineering means knowing how to ask the right questions to get the best results from AI tools like ChatGPT. What to learn? Writing clear and specific prompts. Step-by-step instructions. Role-based prompts, e.g., act as a marketer, teacher, or analyst. Why it matters. People with strong prompting skills get 10x better outputs from the same AI tools. Skill 2. I+ Data Analysis. Data is the new oil, but only if you know how to use it. AI can now analyze spreadsheets, customer data, sales reports, and trends within seconds. What to learn? Using AI with Excel, Google Sheets. Asking AI to find patterns and insights. Data-driven decision-making. Why it matters. Companies need people who can turn data into decisions, not just collect it. Skill 3. AI Content Creation. Content drives everything today: marketing, education, branding. AI can help you create blogs, scripts, captions, videos, ideas and thumbnails, ads, emails, and presentations. What to learn? Using AI for writing and editing. Creating content faster without losing quality. Human plus AI collaboration. Why it matters. Creators who use AI grow faster and smarter than others. Skill 4. AI Design and Media Tools. You don't need to be a professional designer anymore. AI can now generate images, posters, thumbnails, videos, voiceovers, animations. Social media creatives. Tools to explore. Canva AI. Midjourney, DALL-E. AI video generators. Why it matters. Design plus AI skills are in huge demand for freelancing and startups. AI automation and workflow thinking. The future belongs to people who automate smartly. AI can automate repetitive tasks like emails and reports, customer support, social media posting, lead generation. What to learn? Connecting AI tools together. Automating workflows. Thinking in systems, not tasks. Why it matters. Automation saves time, reduces cost, and increases productivity. Conclusion. To survive and grow in 2026, remember this. 1. AI will not replace you. 2. Someone using AI will. Start with one skill, practice daily, and build step by step. If you found this video useful, like the video. Subscribe for future-ready skills. Comment. Which AI skill will you learn first? Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.